So, this is pixelGeoMaterial. It's a pre-shader to the material shader. It allows to tweak a little bit the glossiness of surfaces. So, like you can see on the left of the card, that's the only glossy material here, really, because the concrete is not really glossy. And you can amplify the normals a little bit, which brings out the AO. So if you look, the bushes, the road, the curbstone, the curbs on the right, and so on. So it's not a paint job over the screen. It just amplifies the normals, which brings out natural lighting and also AO, the darkening of the edges a little bit. I do have a little bit saturation on, and the reflection is also active. So yeah, and that's pretty much all. And performance is good, I'd have to say. So I don't really have any loss here, or performance loss. There's an FPS bar at the top that shows me if I'm at 60 frames per second. I have no extra textures. These are the high resolution stock textures that I have. There's no reshade, no ENB or anything running. This is as if you buy the game from the store, fresh, without any extras. Plus, of course, the replaced shaders here. So, yeah. And yeah, you can see on the top right all the shaders that are being dynamically replaced. There are quite a lot of these gbuffer shaders. Right, there's only a few of these lightning and the clouds in the background, don't worry about it. But there are lots of material shaders. And those are, I think, I covered most of the surfaces, but it's still not all of them. I think I like this spot. This really shows, if you pay attention here, if we crank it up, this really brings out the AO here by just manipulating how strong the difference is in the surface. It's like a safe value is at 1.2. That's what I have it set as default. And you can also make everything more shiny. I have good weather now. If it's bad weather, it's or if it's rainy or a wet surface, the shininess always makes a difference. So that's pretty much all. And yeah, you can turn also like turn effects on off. It's not really visible now here. You can see here on the left a little bit because it's super bright sun at the moment. There's not much AO effect. If there are more shadows, there's more AO. And the reflection tone map, everything can be toggled on off. So this would be stock. Right? And then yeah, it's not a dramatic effect. It doesn't paint the screen. It just emphasizes the natural material or the texture for the material, which makes it react more stronger for lighting and shadow. Okay.